Hello everyone, welcome to ODIA IITian. In this video lecture, we will discuss optical mineralogy and some questions related to it, which are asking in IIT JAM and get asked frequently. The first optical property is relief. It is the property of plane polarized light. To study relief of a grain is the sharpness of its outline and roughness of the surface. Relief of a crystal is function of refractive index with respect to cement. If the difference between refractive index of the mineral and the cement crystal will appear flat, fractureless, fanned outline, then it is said to be low relief. Similarly, if the difference between refractive index of mineral and cement is higher, the grain outline appear bold and crack on its surface will become conspicuous, then it is said to be high relief. Now, baseline test. In this case, you can see the light converging here. If in this case the refractive index of grain is greater than refractive index of oil, in this case this is showing negative relief. Similarly, the light is diverging from it. So in this case, the refractive index of grain is less than refractive index of oil. It shows positive relief. Now moving to an important previous year MSQ question. In thin section, 30 micrometer is the thickness. The refractive index of mineral of E ray is 1.565 and O ray is 1.468. Choose the correct statement here. This is a MSQ question. Option दिया गया है यूनिएक्सल पॉजिटिव, यूनिएक्सल नेगेटिव, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर इंटरफेरेंस कलर, low to medium relief. Now in this question I will give you the best explanation of the perfect answer. We know negative omega more than epsilon, that is no. Here epsilon is greater than omega, so that it is uniaxial positive mineral. So this option is wrong and this is the correct option first. Then moving to interference color. In first order interference color, that is the range 0 to 500 nanometer. But in this case, the difference of the refractive index into 30 micrometer, the answer is 2910 nanometer. So this option is wrong. Now refractive index of emulsion oil is 1.450. ये आपको याद रखना है. Now in this case omega, that is 1.468, हमको सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है ओमेगा का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स विथ इमर्शन लिक्विड का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स, सो दैट इज 0.018, दैट इज लो रिलीफ. सिमिलरली इप्सिलॉन का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स दिया गया है 1.565, इसको सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है हमको रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ इमर्शन ऑयल. द आंसर इज 0.115, दैट इज मॉडरेट रिलीफ. फॉर नो low relief and moderate relief, you have to remember this. Now the perfect answer is uniaxial positive and low to moderate relief. Now moving toward another optical property, that is extinction. The extinction angle is the angle between extinction position and some crystallographic direction of a crystal. Many grains in a thin section go dark, that is extincted, in every 90-degree rotation. Cause for extinction is orientation of vibration direction. Occur when principal vibration direction of a mineral is parallel to vibration direction of lower polarizer. In this case, light pass through polarizer but block through analyzer, that is go dark. Now the type of extinction, that is parallel extinction, inclined extinction, symmetrical extinction, no extinction angle, that is feature usually cleavage parallel to crosshair at extinction, that is parallel extinction. Similarly, extinction when feature is at an angle to crosshair, that is inclined extinction. Symmetrical extinction occurs when the mineral with two cleavage bisect cleavage, that is symmetrical extinction. No extinction angle, mineral with no elongation or cleavage, that is no extinction angle. Now an important extinction is ondulose extinction. In this case, extinction will look like a wave passing across a crystal as the stage is rotated, often result from deformation of crystal. Quartz frequently shows undulatory extension. Now these are the extensions, that is parallel extension which is parallel to crosshair. This is inclined extension which is inclined to crosshair. This is symmetrical extension. Similarly, another important optical property is twinkling. It is the changing of relief when the stage with mineral is rotated under plane polarized light because of changing of refractive index according to crystal axis. This is clearly seen in aragonite and calcite. Similarly, another important optical property is interference color. This is an anisotropic property of individual grain that's seen in cross nickel position. When two polarized E-ray emerge from analyzer, they vibrating in same plane, and there will be some path difference. Corresponding to path difference, there will be phase difference, and hence it will known as interference color. Interference color directly depends on retardation. This is the Michael Lewis chart. In this case आपको फर्स्ट ऑर्डर सेकेंड ऑर्डर का रेंज याद रखना है एंड कलर्स को याद रखना है. This is most important for exam. If you want the notes, then join our Telegram group ODIA IITian. Link is given below. Thank you for watching this video lecture. If this lecture is informative to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.